Video title: How to Start Crypto Trading as a Forex Trading Beginner, a Comprehensive Guide. Video description: Welcome to our video guide on how to start crypto trading as a Forex trading beginner. This step-by-step tutorial will provide you with all the necessary information to embark on your crypto trading journey. Join us for a 20-minute crash course that will demystify the world of crypto trading. Keywords: Crypto trading for beginners. Forex trading guide. Starting in crypto, wondering how crypto trading differs from traditional Forex trading. While both involve the buying and selling of assets, such as currencies, they operate on different platforms and principles. We'll explore these differences and how they impact your trading strategies. H3. Choosing a reliable crypto exchange. Voiceover: To trade cryptocurrencies, you need to choose a reliable crypto exchange. We'll discuss the key factors you should consider when selecting an exchange, including security features, trading fees, available cryptocurrencies, and user experience. H2. Getting started with crypto trading. H3. Creating your crypto wallet. Voiceover: A crypto wallet is necessary to securely store your digital assets. We'll guide you through creating a crypto wallet, whether it's a software wallet, hardware wallet, or an online wallet. We'll also discuss the importance of private keys and public keys, and how to keep your wallet safe from potential threats. H3. Deciding on your investment strategy. Voiceover: As a Forex trading beginner entering the crypto market, it's crucial to establish a solid investment strategy. We'll cover a range of strategies suited for beginners, including long-term holding, swing trading, and day trading. We'll help you understand the potential risks and rewards associated with each approach. H2. Tips for successful crypto trading. H3. Conducting thorough research. Voiceover: Comprehensive research is vital when it comes to crypto trading. We'll show you how to analyze market trends, evaluate project fundamentals, and use various online resources to make informed trading decisions. Remember, knowledge is power in the crypto world. H3. Managing risk and setting stop-loss orders. Voiceover: Managing risk is crucial in any trading activity. We'll discuss risk management techniques such as setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Additionally, we'll touch on risk-reward ratios and how they play a role in determining your trading success. H3. Utilizing technical analysis tools. Voiceover: Technical analysis tools can provide valuable insights into price trends and market sentiment. We'll introduce you to popular tools like candlestick charts, trend lines, and moving averages. Learn how to spot patterns and use technical indicators to enhance your trading decisions. H3. Following crypto trading news and events. Voiceover: Staying updated with the latest news and events in the crypto world is crucial for successful trading. We'll guide you on reliable sources to track news, announcements, and regulatory changes that may impact the market. Being well-informed will give you a competitive edge. Conclusion: Background music fades out. Host: Congratulations! You have completed our crash course on how to start crypto trading as a Forex trading beginner. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and a solid foundation for entering the exciting world of crypto trading. Remember always to conduct thorough research, manage your risks, and stay informed about the latest trends. Happy trading! Outro. Background music playing. Host, thank you for watching our video on how to start crypto trading as a beginner. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Happy trading, and see you soon. Background music fades out. Currency market for crypto investment tips 5. Beginner-friendly trading strategies. Introduction. Soft, engaging background music playing. Host, welcome to our channel. Are you interested in venturing into the world of crypto trading but don't know where to start? Or perhaps you are a Forex trading beginner looking to explore new investment opportunities? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will provide you with all the information you need to know to kickstart your crypto trading journey. So, let's dive in. H2, before you begin. H3, understanding the basics of cryptocurrency. Voiceover. Before you start crypto trading, it's essential to understand the basics of cryptocurrency. In simple terms, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for secure transactions. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are some of the popular cryptocurrencies in the market. H3, differences between Forex trading and crypto trading. Voiceover, as a Forex trading beginner, you might be